Greetings, 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 and welcome or welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. We're doing a series on miracles, signs, and wonders performed by Jesus and his disciples throughout the books of Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, and Acts. We're doing this so that we can build our faith. But may I have to warn you, because after you get the lesson, then you're going to get one test. And if you remember the lesson good, after the test will come the testimony. So if you want more people to build them faith, to stand up in these hard times, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with at least one somebody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on right or so. 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as gone to Luke chapter 8 from verse 22 to verse 25. One day, Jesus and his special follower them, they go in a one boat, and him said to them, make we go over the other side of the lake. So then go. When them a sail cross, Jesus drop asleep. No one strong breeze come down on the lake, and the boat start full up of water, so till everybody the outfit drown. Jesus special follower them wake him up and say, Lord, we are going to drown. Jesus get up and order the breeze and the wave them fi settle down, and everything get calm. We will not trust in me there, Jesus asked them. Them so frightened when they see what Jesus do. Them ask them one another, Cap, what kind of man this? Him talk to all breeze and wave, and them do what him tell them fi do? A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.